Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to track who's visiting your Wix website? In this video, I will show you how to connect Google Analytics to your Wix site so you can monitor traffic, user behavior, and more all in under 5 minutes. So first of all, create Google Analytics for property. So go to Analytics, google.com. Then sign into your account, click sign into analytics. Now from your dashboard, click on admin, then click create property. Name your property like my Wix site. Set time zone, then select currency and click next. Now you have your analytics for property. Let's set up the tracking and follow this process like your category, business fit, then small, next, and business. uh, Choose your business objectives like generative feeds, leads, and follow this process from data collection to now. In property, go to admin, then data stream. From here like data stream, then click web and enter your website here, like click add stream and web and yes, and enter your website here. Then copy this. Google will give you a measurement ID. It looks like GXXXX, like that. Click on it like that. So copy this measurement ID. You will need it for Wix. Now the fun part. Go to log into your Wix dashboard. From Wix dashboard, select settings. Then marketing integration options. Find marketing integrations. Where it is. Search in Google marketing integration in Wix. From here, select Google Analytics. Then click connect. You may need a paid Wix plan to use custom integrations like this. Once added, Wix will start sending traffic data to your GA4 dashboard or Google Analytics for dashboard. Then go back to Analytics. Click on Reports tab, then Real Time. From here, Real Time Overview. Visit your website in another tab. You should see yourself as an active user within a few seconds. And that's it. You have connected Google Analytics 4 to your website in just a few minutes. Drop your questions below, hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more quick, more website or marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.